Hello, this is my circuit for lighting an LED with two push buttons. Let's see. I use pin 30 for 13 and ground for LED. I use 5 volt and ground pin from Arduino to power up the circuit, and pin number 2 and 4 for push button. And now let's see if it is working correctly or not. Now first of all, let me push the one button, nothing happens. Let me push the another button, nothing happens. Let me push the both of the buttons, LED lighten up. Good, it is working correctly. And this is my C code for Arduino. Thank you.